living in a smart world with smart homes. Everyone is talking about it. So do we at Bosch. But what is a smart home anyway? Does it mean that your home is going to be more independent? Or that it's going to make you more independent, helping you to be more relaxed and carefree? Bosch home appliances with Home Connect functions give you completely new ways to control your household. Like a washing machine that you can control conveniently, just whenever and wherever you want. We at Bosch think that a real smart home is not about the technology. It's about making your home a little more relaxing. The new Bosch home appliances with Home Connect. Simply connected. Bosch, invented for life.